All right, so it's Friday, and we had torrential downpours again all morning. Looks like I had some caving in going on. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this back a little bit and bench it, and then clean that all up. And then I gotta clean the wall for Monday, because my engineer did get back to me last night, and he drew up a plan for me, and I like it, and I'm going with it. So it was just a picture he texted me, so I printed it out, and unfortunately my printer's not the best. I guess the ink cartridge is going. But here's what we got. You gotta hold still, bud. So here's what we got here. And I like it. So here you go. He wants me to come out from the existing block 6 inches minimum, a maximum of 8 inches. Makes sense. And then right here, right in the middle there, tap cons. Right in the middle there, those are tap cons. We're going to need 3 rows of tap cons. We got 1, 2, 3, staggered. So let's start up here. Also, he wants me to put a shelf at the top, which makes sense. A little ledge for my ledger board when we do the deck. That makes a lot of sense putting that there. So it's probably going to be the depth of whatever I'm going to use for a ledger board, either 2x10 or 2x12. So I'm going to have to form that into the concrete. So that's already there, ready to go. So he wants to use number 4 rebar, 16 inches on center. Okay. And, yep, 16 inches on center. Vertically, we're going to go 32 inches on center. Try to back up a little bit and try and get the focus in there for you to see it. So we already did that. We already filled it in. We already put number 4 bars in there and filled them all solid with concrete. So I'm going to need 3 rows of the tap cons. They're going to be 1/2 inch diameter by 8 inches long. So he wants 5 inches in the wall, in the concrete of the wall, and 3 inches sticking out. And then I can tie my rebars to those. And that'll tie the new wall that I'm going to pour out of concrete. That'll tie it into the existing block wall. Man, the focus isn't working today. So yeah, this all makes sense. It'll be a little easier for me to show you while I'm forming it out and stuff than it is right now. I don't know, something's going on probably with the weather and all. It's messing my phone up. But I think for today, I'm gonna do some digging. I want to get the rest of that dirt out of there down to the footer. I'm not going under the footer. Sometimes you go under the footer and you'll pour a new footer under it. If you were to do that, you'd have to do it in sections, little sections at a time. The problem with that is then each little section you do, you leave a cold joint. It'd be best to do it all in one time, but I can't here. That'll collapse, you know what I mean? So he said, just go down to it, don't go under it, which I'm gonna follow. So let's do that. Let's dig some of this out. I want to get it so I can hose the wall off. This way it's ready for Monday for me to draw out my layout. that. I had to get down here, do some hand digging. So there's that nasty footer they did. I still got to rinse everything off, but before I get out of here, I'm probably not coming back down today after I rinse it. But so I'm down far enough now. But then it looks like that slop they poured stopped right there. And then they went deeper with the blocks. I don't know what's going on. They must have had major problems. We got a settlement crack there. Looks like it's bulging a little bit. I could be wrong. So let me rinse this off. I'm gonna rinse it off from up top. I gotta climb myself back out of here somehow. I'll rinse it off and I'll come back. I did get to pull a couple of monsters out of the ground. Some nice landscaping rocks. I don't know why they buried them. Landscaping boulders. Why would you bury them? All right, let's take a look at this wall. Here we go. So I don't know what happened here. They got big joints, they got no joints. Let's look down here. Where's the joints at, bro? No joints? I mean, don't try to fake it and smear cement right there in the middle. There's no joint there, bud. Wow, what happened? Look at that. They didn't even try to smear any cement to fake it. Sheesh. Oh, that's what I'm left with there. And then their cheesy footers down there. And then it's not. Then there's nothing right in that corner. I don't know what's going on. What happened, bud? You ran out of concrete? Got tired of dumping buckets? Something. What happened? Well, hopefully this dries out. This is Friday. Hopefully this dries out for Monday. And then I can draw my layout of where I'm putting the Tapcons. They're not really Tapcons. They're a different brand. They're them big masonry screws and concrete screws. I see a lot of guys making videos about them. They're half-inch thick and they're 8 inches long. Of course, nobody around me has them in stock, so I'm gonna have to order them and wait. So I'll get back to this on Monday.